and yo, welcome back to It Straight Up and Down right here on channel 260. God of the universe manifested through the flesh of Lord Nombande, out here with my homies Old Slash, Kumgani Ukunda, Pumlani Mila, Abongile Zozi in the building. Yeah, homies, I wanna go to Mhlanga la way. Previous couple of weeks ago la way we saw enye homie la way yalapha yabo. And it made waves la way on the TL. Umchita behleli with the girlfriend yakhe, na homies. Yabo beku weep. They were taking selfies, videos, and whatnot. Yabo not yet Uhuru. Yabo blazing through the speakers. People having fun. It made you want to capitalize on the moment. If money lambs, I want to. And Umchita was like, "Frakara here." I thought then Umchita again came back with another video la way befuna ukwenza la way again, making fun of the young, reenacting la way with the homies, making fun of the young lady umjida cousin Pools andifuni no bo. And so abantu abaninzi behleka. I don't know if ndirida too much, but indlela endiyibone ngayo, I know izinto ezinjeyana umuntu oba embarrassed zizinto ezalahlobo fumaniseke iba viral on social media bo, and you're being made fun of kuyo yonke lo way leyo ingakubangela. We've seen abantu abaninzi becommit suicide because of izinto ezinjeya yabo. Xana iphopa lo way leyo omnye umuntu ufumana ifame wena, and xa uphinda namajida niphinda again nihlekisa ngayo lo way leyo, you never think bana yenza njani kulaa mntu yi-part of le joke yabo. So yona ndifuna uyibuza, how far are you willing to go chasing cloud? Are you willing to go as far as ubeka omnye umntu esingciphekweni soba athathe ubomi bakhe?
I'm willing not to go as far as embarrassing my whole family. For cloud.
For cloud.
100, bro. If you're in the media space, if you're in the entertainment space, you are a cloud chaser. Because this thing is all about the numbers. It's all about the views.
Sure.
It's all about the followers, the following that you're getting.
Yeah.
You understand? So I understand about Yabandu who end up being victims of Abandu as cloud chasers. I feel sorry for them.
Sure.
But at the same time, now you can flip the script la way, reenact la way begins again. If I make fun of that situation at the same time getting the cloud.
Yeah.
Now speaking from a person that is in the media space that way, I want cloud. I'm willing to go as far as embarrassing me. There's no loyalty in this entertainment business.
Yeah.
No loyalty. It's all about the numbers, bro.
No doubt, no doubt.
Nigga, let's go.
No doubt. Look, I'm here, ain't I? I'm here, ain't I? I'm chasing cloud, Nick. I'm chasing cloud. Look, if you have your who stayed up and down from the first episode, like I wouldn't go in the first episode. But what's in your episode? You see me? I'm here.
Chasing this cloud.
Nick, I'm here to chase cloud, Nick. I'm here to chase fame, Nick. No.
Abanye bantu are going to get it bicycle kicks in their jaw.
Yeah.
Niggas are gonna get chin check. They're gonna get their wigs pushed back.
Yeah.
There's this particular homeboy, this homie goes on the internet, ripping people apart. At some point, the vest, going as far as going after his key, went after Nasty C, saying bana if you know born Nasty C erojwa, I don't think so
Yeah.
angabe wenza justice to the music industry. He's got no respect for Casper. Went after his spouse is got Nasty C.
Girlfriend.
I born any boundaries. And now you check the nigga is not the type of person that can match like energy for not banana. That young lad, he's gonna get chin check.
No, I think even up until I get pulled over by a couple of guys or I get smacked, get a tune-up, I'm not popping yet. That's my fantasy, bro. Up until I get chin-checked, I'm not popping yet. You have to get death threats and send in your mail. Then we know that you are really popping. It's all about popping, bro. We're not popping yet. So I know there bakhona abantu abahlala phayana. Like we've seen abantu bafana DJ academics. Abahlala phayana kwi-basements abo do these landuka lawe these videos and they get threats from abantu base Chicago and all that. Charlemagne was landuka attacked on his way to a studio to a radio station. Yeah, well, he's popping now. You're not popping up until you get those death threats, Margie.
Look, man. Tonga, cloud chasing you.
Yeah.
But abantu that get ilanuka are like affected endleleni. Yabo. This what he sorry.
Really look at the casualties in
Yeah,
the war.
Yeah, casualties of war.
So sorry for Moana, sorry for my sister who tried to get a smooch and couldn't. That dude Wogo is on a 100.
But nah, she was also cloud chasing. She saw there's a camera, Musab. Now she wants to give keys. So why?
But the thing is,
She wants to.
she didn't know why it was gonna go viral.
Even if it was not gonna go viral, nah. I'ma lick it, bruh. I have all the receipts. What I'm saying is this: she was also cloud chasing because la machida asemotweni. Why did she go for the keys in front of the camera? What was she trying to? Elandukela way.
What it wants.
He had the lamchida na again. He's gonna do what it wants.
Came out of that. I saw someone standing here eating a gift voucher and whatnot.
Was that a guy?
Yeah, it was a chick.
A chick.
Someone. That's the only ironic about this. Someone sent a gift back. Products. Zaka's things.
Cloud chasing. Cloud chasing. Cloud chasing.
Look, she alone saw the wave. I'm gonna ride this
Yeah.
wave.
I'm worried about when you go back to Timbaza and December that way, you were busy dissing your own boys there. Cloud chasing, getting views.
Cloud. Because a nigga in the cloud to fight Timbaza.
When they see you, Payan,
I want to see a video of you and my nigga.
when they see you, Payan, Lalin, it's on site.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. Ladies and gentlemen, Science Sealed and Delivered. This has been another explosive episode of Straight Up and Down right here on Channel 260, God of the Universe, Kumkani Ukunda. Don't forget to subscribe on our page on YouTube, Straight Up and Down.